And this is the path in reverse again from at the top, Wissahickon Avenue at Lincoln Drive, right on the bridge. And you got a nice power walking path here, or mountain bike path here. Really clean this area good. This nice new divider in here. Clean the shit out of it, man. All these fallen branches here. Cleaned it right up. There's an area to pull over here and watch some nature, you know. There's a good area for dogging down here. Well, that's what I'm here for. If someone asks me where I'd like to take a date, man, I'll show them where to take a date, you know. Fairmount Park, it's the center for all kinds of good activity. It's peaceful diversion time, you know. Guess a lot of people don't think it's worth driving through here because of the speed zone, you know. It's more full of these horses and doggers and mountain bikers and joggers. That's the valley way down there. There's no trails going down there except the ones on the lower part of the valley. And a hell of a lot of glacial boulders down there. That'd be a hard path, I guess, to just blaze all the way down to that creek. Some people have done it here. Ain't much of a path with all that poison ivy down there. Bring my man down to the dams here they made. This was an old mill here. You know, just go right down here. It's where some people live, you know. Mostly they're all vacant houses under restoration in Fairmount Park. The people who live in Fairmount Park and live next to the Fairmount Park facilities. It's a nice picnic area, nice private picnic area. I'll say if you had a date and you wanted to come here, this would be a good place. Have a little picnic, yep. That's the map I always refer to. It's got the P1 to P12 or something like that. You get the best map over here, I think. Right back here off of Wissahickon Avenue and historic Rittenhousetown. Visitor center. It's all landscaped beautifully. Visitor parking up here. So it is allowed. As long as you stop off somewhere. Yeah. Mr. Wolf, you stay with me, Angelo. Good boy. Stay with me. I'll put you on the lead, man. You're a good dog. Yes, indeed. He's the man. He's the wolf man.
Hello.
Hi. Good boy. Go, boy. You go down your dam, man. You go down swimming. Nice restored Rittenhouse mill here. That's the back track. Gotta try this place. It's a place to go and chill out for a while. Beat all the temperatures. And some good lighting here too. They just put that up. That's our dam straight ahead. A special mill dam. What it used to look like. Angelo, come over here, boy. Angelo, here, boy. Good dog. Nice boy, you go swimming. Working pet. Give me your lead, man. Give me your lead. Here, look at your face. Good boy. Oh, what a beautiful dog, yeah. Here, man. You go your swimming hole, man. It's this dam. Angelo's Creek. Come over here, man. Yeah, it's your creek, man. Mr. Working Boy, he's been walking hard today. Dog that works hard. He needs his creek. Here you go, boy. That's your creek down there. A lot of rainwater up here. Spring water too. There you go, boy. That's your creek, boy. My man Angelo here, he's a pit bull Labrador. Now Labradors need that water. As long as it's a little bit hot outside, I don't think they'd be satisfied not to be around water. He's a wild pit, so he's got to get his way. Go in that water, cool himself off. Well, let's go back to the car. You good dog, we go back, go up to Pekela Field or somewhere, man. Good dog. The man of the year. Nice houses, man. Nice gardens, nice houses. Yeah. Beautiful little road here. There's another road, I don't know where that goes. It's up to the ridge somewhere. We'll check that one out later. Just more concerned about this one. Went down to Wissahickon Avenue. Someone said it was pretty far a ride. It's not, it's just up the hill a little bit there. Yep, I'll talk to you later. Have a good day.